Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this vlog is going to be a 2-day vlog. I am in the process of turning my room into my dream room. So my room is in a mess, as you can see. So please ignore that. I really wanted to point that out. But other than that, I just had my breakfast. I put up a video to get uploaded last night in my drafts on my YouTube. After I woke up, I saw it's still under the process of uploading. I mean, something is absolutely wrong with the internet, I think. So I have to fix my nails too. Plus, before university, I feel like I have to make a maintenance vlog because I've been seeing vlogs like that and I love the transformations the girls, like to do. Maybe I'll just do a haircut in that, hair color, hair dye, I would say. Maybe I'd get highlights, maybe I'd get bangs, I don't know. Like curtain bangs. I'm going to do my nails. What else? Just skincare, self-care and all of that sort. Now it's time to do my laundry because I really want to. There is a pile of clothes to be, like washed. So I'm just going to go and do some laundry now. Alright you all, it is currently 3:20 p.m. and I am currently doing my vanity and I am also like filming a video for it. I'm going to show you guys. Look at how beautiful this new organizer looks. I mean, this has my whole heart. Like, it is so pretty and so useful. Plus I have ordered in some shelves, so they will probably go up here, and I love that diffuser, and I already have another one purchased. This one in the, oh my god, it is the face shaft. Okay, I love these, honestly. Okay, so you guys, I was on to the rack part now, और अब मुझे उसको like सेट करना है because रूम काफ़ी अजीब हुआ है. मुझे मेरे पूरे घर वाले बोल रहे हैं कि क्या किया हुआ तुमने. ऐसे कि भाई टाइम तो लगता है ना. Looking up some inspirations for like the heel closet and stuff like that, or like share some of the ideas with you. The thing is, I have 5 racks. ठीक है, उस बड़े rack cupboard में I have 5 racks. And I have bags, heels, shoes, and okay, books. I cannot put books underneath because अच्छा नहीं लगता जूते ऊपर and books नीचे. So maybe books ऊपर, or what I can do is just like have some racks here and put the books there because मैं थोड़ी करके books लेके आती हूँ. थोड़ी पहले फिर वो पढ़ के फिर दूसरी ले आती हूँ. So I don't have that many. Books are there. So I have only those books right now. Thinking कि maybe books को मैं exclude करूँ और इधर कहीं पे I should like arrange the books because यहाँ पे मेरे पास जगह है, काफ़ी space है. तो I think I'm gonna do that here. So the first idea that I have is this. This looks super pretty because इसमें एक heel इस तरह तो दूसरी heel का back side show हुआ है. Super pretty and at some point I really like it. So I'm just going through some ideas. Stuff कि किस तरह से लोगों ने किया हुआ है, get some inspiration. Okay, so this is another idea, inspiration. There is a color scheme going on and color codedly रखे हुए हैं. So that is really pretty as well. But मेरा एक है कि मैं अगर एक कलर की ले लूँ ना हील, No, same color nahi leti मैं दोबारा. I cannot go with this, but it looks really pretty. Moving on now, this is an idea, inspiration that I was looking for, and I really love because all about heels, but you know, like has some decoration pieces and has some bags in it, which is exactly what I'm going for because मैं अब हर चीज़ के लिए अलग racks नहीं लगा सकती. It is exposed so beautifully. I just love it, and I have a tiara as well. Thinking of something because tiaras make everything look so much better. It is pink. So maybe I'm gonna put that on the racks that I ordered, or maybe you know this one, whatever I like. Took a break now. I am so tired, and I did my drawing wall, and I am so proud of it. Literally, it is the best thing ever. It is such a good decision to put drawings here because it literally is something else. Like it's so good to see all of this. In my shoe closet, while I there's a dresser is looking cool as well. I'm just waiting for 3 of my orders to come, and after that, my room's gonna look zaba. Upload a YouTube video. It's pretty late, 11 p.m. पे मैं लगा रही हूँ. So I don't know how it's gonna be and how it's gonna respond. But after that, I'm just going to go and watch my laptop. I'm just going to close the internet. I have to stop working because I'm exhausted and I feel like my body has given up. So yeah, I'm just going to go do that, and then I'm just going to pray and sleep. It is the next day and I am so tired right now. I cannot even feel and move my body right now because yesterday was a roller coaster. I had to do so much stuff और रात को पता नहीं कितनी देर तक मैं करी थी. Anyways, the room is coming together, but there's so much mess on the floor. I'm gonna show it to you guys. All the mess, y'all. I mean, what is this? But alright, we can do it. We can fix this. After I woke up, I immediately started editing this one video that goes up. I think maybe I'll just upload it today or tomorrow. It's a Pinterest, inspired video. I did the editing of one Instagram post and it's now in my drafts. I just have to tap the upload button tonight. Plus, I also uploaded so many TikToks and I loved all of them. Like the liner of that day, like that was such a slay because मैंने जो TikToks upload किए हैं वो मेरे हैं मेरे talent show किए हैं यूनिवर्सिटी में organize हुआ था वो तो उस दिन मेरा liner was such a slay. So right now I'm just going to edit some more, do some more editing, prepare some Instagram posts for this week because today is Monday, and with it I'm just going to watch Serendipities in Grace because मेरा बहुत दिल चाह रहा है कुछ देखने का साथ साथ. My order came and it's time to do some unboxing. I'm so excited. I feel super productive today because I edited and have 4 different sorts of posts including reels and pictures ready to upload on my Instagram. I'm so excited that I am done for the week. I just have to tap on the upload. So yes, that is it. Plus I was also watching I'm on episode 5 of Serendipities in Grace. So let's do the unboxing together. No, but it feels like इसमें 2 नहीं होंगे, इसमें 1 होंगे. अगर इसमें 1 हुआ, because I ordered 2 of these things. Oh, I was right. इसमें वही है जो मुझे चाहिए. Oh, it does have to. So I ordered in these 2 of these makeup organizers. Woohoo! They're so cool. Oh my god, yes. I was actually waiting for these, and what happened is these are really really useful. Like my sister has one of these in black and I really liked it. I was looking for bags बहुत ज़्यादा time से और मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था कोई pouch type की vanity के लिए because everything I'm buying, it's so beautiful and pretty and pink, but I think the zipper is not working because you guys see this? It's closed and open. Uh-oh. What if it's broken? Let's see how it goes. I'm trying to fix it for the past 5 minutes, but looks like this one's zip upper is not, like right. So I think I'll just, like my idea was to, put them like this on my vanity, but since this one is not working, I really like it, but I think कि इसको मैं नीचे रखूँ तो it will be fine. Let's see the next one. I hope कि इसकी ठीक हो. I really hope ठीक हो, because अगर इसकी ठीक नहीं हुई तो then I'll have to message them saying the zipper is not working. Usually I do not message and all, but since in the reviews I really want कि लोग जो है ना वो सही चीज़ दें. So this one is working and pretty smoothly. शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. So yeah, so the plan was to put it like this. This stuff goes in this bag and कुछ सामान यहाँ पे भी है, वहाँ पे भी है, जो इस इन bags में जाएगा. So yes, let's do that together here. Just doing my hair and I really wanted to try a wooden comb now, because I heard that wooden comb is really good for your hair and like mainly on your upper part of the head. So I was doing exactly that. Full honestly बहुत ज़्यादा ये मतलब ना super relaxing है and it definitely does something to your head. Actually, my brother told me to try this. He said it's really good and I have heard that it's really good, so I tried it. Before I end this 48-hour long video, I mean, just joking, today's video, I have to tell you guys something. I have been looking for inspiration for my makeup looks and my Instagram content for a long time, and for a very long time I've been coming up with my own ideas and all of that stuff that was in my head from the past 2 years. Whatever I had in my mind, I just put it on my face and did the looks. Some of the looks that I did were this. There are so many more. What I'm trying to say is that I am a person, if I find a good video, the next shoot I do would be that video. तो मैं इस तरह से काम करती हूँ. मुझे अगर कोई चीज़ पसंद आती है मैं उससे इंस्पायर्ड होकर फ़ौरन उसकी तरह काम करने लग जाती हूँ. Inspired from the video and I hop on to that trend. क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम से मुझे ऐसी कोई ट्रेंडिंग वीडियोस नहीं मिल रही थी. So today, if you guys know Pony Syndrome, she is so beautiful, so perfect at whatever and what she does. I was just looking at a video of hers today, the cat makeup video, and I do watch her. So I just wanted to Instagram and tag her that I'm watching her, but I found out that you can't tag her account. So I was like, I want to see her account, and when I hopped onto her account, she posted this really, I'm not going to disclose it because I want to do it. Last week I found 2 songs, audios, transitions on, so a total of 3. 2 includes transitions and 1 is like a whole inspired video. This week's purpose and goal of mine, since today is Monday, I am going to be super focused and create these 3 looks
and the video was so hard. Honestly, praises to her. Brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.